Take out all components from the box. Take out the Ebike and the accessories box. Check if all accessories are included and in good condition. Remove the Ebike protective foam. Remove the front tire. Caution: do not scratch the saddle and frame. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the stem cap screws. Attach the handlebar onto the stem. Position the handlebar plate over the center of the handlebar grooves. Loosely tighten the clamp by Allen wrench. Adjust the angle to rider's comfort, according to personal preference. Securely tighten the screws. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the bike bell. Adjust the angle to secure the bike bell to the handlebars. Secure the wire underneath the bike bell, then tighten the screws. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the headlight. Put the headlights in the middle. Loosely tighten the screws. Adjust the direction of the front light, then tighten the screws. Remove the front fork protector and collision protectant pads from the front wheel. Remove the plastic pad from front brake caliper. Place the front wheel into the front fork and align the disc with the brake caliper. Insert the front wheel quick release axle through the hub. Then tighten the nuts and lock the quick release. Pass the fender through the front fork. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the screw. Locate the fender stays and ally them with mounting holes on the rear side of the fork legs. Secure the fender stays to the mounting holes. Distinguish between left and right pedals. R indicates the right pedal. Install the R pedal on the right crank by rotating it forwards, the front wheel. Open the seat post quick release and adjust the seat to a comfortable height. Long press the power on/off button on the display for about 2 seconds to turn on the display power. Short press plus buttons to increase, decrease power assist level. Long press side button to switch to the parameter display interface. You can set the password to lock your Ebike. Alternatively, you can use NFC to unlock your Ebike. Please read the instructions above carefully. Peel off the sticker. Hold the battery, then press the key in and rotate to remove battery. Connect the charger to the battery. A red light indicates that charging has begun. You can charge it directly by plugging the charger into the bike's charging port. Turn on the battery power. Long press the button to turn on off battery indicator light. Remove the plastic pads on both sides of the rear wheel. Place the protective cap over the rear axle nut. Optional, install the rear derailleur guard. Use a Y-wrench to remove the nut. Remove the torque washer. Install the rear derailleur guard. Then place the torque washer on the top. Use a combination wrench to tighten the nut